Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, we are joined by Mark McDermott. And Mark McDermott is the National Director of the Miss Universe Jamaica organization. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. It's great to be here. Thank you so very much.
Listen, I'm so happy because the girls are beautiful. You are wise. It's awesome.
For some reason, I knew you were here somewhere now. I saw the ladies, and I'm like, I see the
Not
kids.
far away.
I see the kids. Where is
Dad?
Where's Papa Bear? and here you were talking to us about the show in the break, and you were saying that this year's contestants, the judges, are going to have a really hard time deciding who will come out on top.
Agreed. Absolutely.
Why is that?
Because this year, there's no, in my mind, clear winner, you know? And I think now that it's coming towards the end, most of the contestants are throwing their A game so that, you know, the things that are important are coming out now. So, I mean, we had a mock prejudging to give them an idea of what to expect in the actual prejudging. And that was a good eye-opener. It gauged where they were, and we're happy now to see that, you know, they've come into their own mostly and are doing pretty well. So that is the reason why I say, and we tell the ladies every day, don't make it easy for any one person. Give them hell. Can I say hell on TV?
Of course you can.
Give them.
Well,
give them.
did, so yes. All right.
Make it difficult.
Yes,
you know, make it difficult so that, you know, and they have. So we're really excited about that because that's what it's all about.
So you say this year is particularly challenging because of how awesome the ladies are performing. But for those who may or may not be aware, how many years has this pageant been happening in Jamaica?
In Jamaica, I mean, our history in Jamaica is from 1989, I would say, is when we've actively been a Miss Universe, a Miss Jamaica Universe. That would be me too. That would be me too. But the pageant has been around from the 50s, and it has gone through evolution. Even here in Jamaica, a few organizations have had it. We've only had it since 2013, and so it's been with Uzuri International, Atelier Dermot Williams since that time. And what we've tried to do with it is to move it more away from just a beauty pageant with ladies parading on stage, I like to say in sequins and swimsuits.
Yes.
And more make it a voice and a platform for the ladies to, you know, showcase their substance, their totality.
Humanitarian side.
Humanitarian and philanthropic side. Absolutely. And then going into the communities with certain programs that we have, such as the altruism and the go-getter programs, to give back and make a difference to lives. And I tell you, I talk about it every day, the fact that in the pandemic, we proved ourselves many times over because we were the only brand in Jamaica, only beauty brand in Jamaica, mandated to have a pageant in the middle of the pandemic. We had to send a contestant, a delegate to Universe. And therefore, for us, you know, we had to dig deep and say, we have to showcase now that you have to do something in a pandemic that is beyond what you normally do.
And we must endure.
The communities.
I've been here sitting down listening to you, and it's wonderful, but I would like to meet some of the ladies.
Absolutely, that's why we're here.
May I pop up here?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
How you want to do it?
All right. So we have someone with the microphone. Could you just stand and tell us who you are? What's your name?
Hello, Jamaica. My name is Shannon Johnson, a 24-year-old entrepreneur from the busy city of Kingston. And I'm...
Okay.
You can tell us one thing you like to do?
I like to sleep.
You like to sleep?
Yes.
That's what
My kind of woman. Yeah.
I mean, just randomly send it.
Good afternoon. I'm Shani Limonius, 24, from the beautiful parish of Portland. I love to draw. I love realistic drawing.
Realistic drawing?
Lovely. Yep.
Good afternoon, Jamaica. I am Latoya Malcolm, an actor, TV presenter and dance instructor. In my spare time, I love trying to find those hidden gems right here in Jamaica. So I call myself a dry land tourist. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shanique Rogers, and I'm from the beautiful parish of Portland. I enjoy writing poems.
Oh, lovely. Okay.
Can I pass in the front? No, yes, when it is at the front.
Hello, Jamaica. I am Israel Harrison, and as Shanique, I enjoy poetry. I love stargazing and food.
To your left, who's the person?
Yeah, who are you, sir? Where are you from and who are you representing?
Talk about changing the eligibility.
You know what I mean?
Hello, everyone. My name is Taylor Mackenzie. I'm a 26-year-old medical doctor from the beautiful parish of Westmoreland. I consider myself the Jamaican mermaid, and my favorite thing to do is going to the beach.
Okay. All right, Jamaican mermaid. Okay. All right.
Not river mama, mermaid.
Mermaid, yes. Yes, go ahead.
Hello, I am Jada Williams. I'm a 22-year-old aspiring medical doctor from Kingston, and something that I love to do is travel.
All right, yes. Okay.
Hello, Daytime Live.
Hi.
I'm Anastasia Thomas, a 29-year-old from the historic parish of St. Catherine. One thing I love to do in my spare time is to watch anime.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
One Piece.
Really?
Not bad.
Not One Punch, One Piece. Okay. I love One Punch too.
I don't know what you're talking about.
It's okay. Okay. I got you, girl. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sarah Jade Go. I've actually been here before. I don't know if you remember, but I'm 30 years old, one of the few moms of the competition. I'm a real estate professional, entrepreneur, and philanthropist from Ocherius, St. Anne. Thank you.
What do you love to do?
I love to travel the world, and I love to spread my culture.
Yeah,
Okay.
she flew in from Ochi.
All right, so we're out of time, so we're gonna quickly hear the rest. Quick.
Quickly,
Just we're out of time. So
yeah.
yes.
Hi,
Hi.
Elaine Allen Landy. I'm 59. I'm from Manchester, and I love jumping out of planes.
Okay.
How can I top that?
Amazing. Yes.
I'm Carrie Ann Greenwood. I'm 23 years old. I'm an international relations student. And I would say I love connecting with people. I enjoy meeting people and socializing.
Love that. And we have one more that we missed. Yeah.
Hello, Jamaica. I'm Kimberly Duffus. I'm 35. Okay. Hello, Jamaica. I'm Kimberly Duffus. I'm 35, and I love taking it easy.
I love that.
Can we find more information on social media?
Our Instagram page at Official Miss Universe Jamaica is our nucleus of activity information everywhere.
Love that.
Okay?
Thank you so
Love
very
that.
much.
So we're out of time now. Thank you so much for joining us. Ladies,
But
want
I
to spend
must
all day
say
with
though,
you?
Sunday, 28th July, our coronation finals at the AC Kingston Hotel.
Love that, AC. All right, Sunday finals. Thank you guys so much. All right, we're going to take a break. We soon come back. What he said.